Welcome to Unscripted, AI and Beyond. Today, we're tackling one of the most common questions in the tech world. What's the difference between AI, ML, and DL? These terms get thrown around a lot, and while they're related, they're not the same thing. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand and actually useful. Think of artificial intelligence as the umbrella term. AI refers to the concept of machines being able to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes things like decision-making, problem-solving, understanding language, and recognizing patterns. AI can be as simple as a chess-playing computer or as complex as autonomous vehicles. AI comes in two flavors. Narrow AI. This is the AI we use today, designed to perform specific tasks, like Siri responding to your questions or Netflix recommending your next binge. General AI. This is still science fiction. It's about machines that can perform any intellectual task a human can. Think of it as AI on steroids. AI is the broad field, and within it we find machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI, and it's all about giving machines the ability to learn from data without explicitly programming them. Instead of writing a long set of instructions, you feed the machine a bunch of data, and it figures out the patterns. Let's break it into simpler terms. Imagine you want to teach a computer to recognize spam emails. With traditional programming, you'd write rules like, if the email contains the word lottery, it's spam. But with machine learning, you'd give the system thousands of examples of spam and non-spam emails, and it would learn the patterns on its own. ML is great for predicting stock prices, recommending products, and detecting fraud. It's further divided into supervised learning. You give the machine labeled data, for example, pictures of cats and dogs with labels saying cat or dog. The system learns to classify. Unsupervised learning. You give the machine unlabeled data, and it identifies patterns on its own, like grouping similar customers together. Reinforcement learning. The machine learns by trial and error, like a robot learning to walk by falling down 100 times first. Deep learning is a more advanced subset of machine learning that uses something called neural networks, which are designed to mimic how the human brain works. These neural networks have multiple layers, hence the term deep learning. What makes deep learning special? It's particularly good at handling unstructured data like images, audio, and text. And it's capable of automating a lot of the feature selection that traditional ML requires. That's why deep learning powers some of the most cutting-edge tech today. Image recognition, identifying faces in photos, natural language processing, tools like ChatGPT that understand and generate human language, autonomous vehicles, interpreting camera feeds to recognize pedestrians, traffic signs, and other vehicles. Deep learning is incredibly powerful, but it requires massive amounts of data and computational power to work effectively. Think of it as the workhorse behind the AI tools we use today. Here's a simple analogy to sum it up. Artificial intelligence is like the universe, the big, overarching concept of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is a planet within that universe, a specific way machines learn from data. Deep learning is a powerful city on that planet, a specialized method that uses neural networks to tackle really complex problems. Understanding these differences isn't just about jargon. It helps you appreciate the tech shaping our world. Whether it's personal assistance, fraud detection, or life-saving medical diagnostics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning are at the heart of it all. So, the next time someone asks you, what's the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? You'll have the answer, and maybe a great analogy to boot. Thanks for tuning in to Unscripted, AI and Beyond. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into technology, policy, and the future of AI.